guys, so today I'm going to do a part 2 of my Halloween haul. I'm a little bit dressed up because I'm about to go to a wedding, so ignore the fact that I'm kind of more done up than usual. And a lot of these things I don't actually really remember the price of them, so I will put that in the information down below. But I'm going to kind of try and rush through this pretty quickly. So the first thing I've got is some more pyjamas from Primark. These ones say "Too cute to spook" with little bats on. So the top is white and then the bottoms are long on these ones. So they're black with little cobwebs and witches and pumpkins and stuff. So I'm pretty sure they were £10, but they're really cute. Then next I have this. Now this was from John Lewis and it's like a metal hanging bat and then it's got like a crystal kind of globy thing on the bottom. And then a pumpkin, and this actually lights up if I can get it to light up. Kind of glows a little bit, but that's really cute too. I'm pretty sure this was also £10. I'm not really sure where I'm going to hang it, to be honest, but I just thought that it was sweet. And then I also got this little bat from there. It's not really the best made thing, to be honest, but it was only £2.50, so it's kind of like a little Christmas tree decoration looking thing with sequins and stuff. But as you can see on his ears, the gluing is not the best ever, but there is that. Next I got this cute little coffin from Hobbycraft. So it's just like a wooden box basically, and when you open it up it makes a noise. So I'm not sure if I'm going to decorate this or just leave it as it is, but again I think this was £2 something, so that was pretty cheap for like a little box. Then I went to TK Maxx again one last time and I got these two. My friend actually got these first and I saw them and I was so jealous, but she said there wasn't any other ones, so I went and found them. There is this one, like a little notepad that says "Trick or Treat" with a bat, and it comes with a pen. And then there is this one which says "Taboo List" with a little ghost and a pen, and these were £2.99 each. I just thought they were pretty cute. There were some other ones as well with like witches on and stuff, but I didn't get those ones because I didn't think I needed more than 2 little notepad things. Then from Sainsburys I got 2 things. So this has tea in it, I'll try not to spill it everywhere, but it's a cup with an eyeball on it, and I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see in the camera, but around here it says "I've got my eye on you," and when you put hot water in it, it actually is a heat changing mug. I'm not gonna have time to show you the heat changing effect right now, but I've got this little sticker thing that came in it, so that's what it turns into when there's hot water in it, and this was £5. And then I also got this notebook from there as well, which was £5. It's kind of got cat hair all over it at the minute, so that's a little bit gross. But it's a cute little bat with like foamy wings, and it's just like a plain lined notebook, but this was £5 as well. Then next I got 2 sets of DVDs. The Munsters, the Closed Casket Collection, the complete series. I've never watched this before, so I thought I'd give it a go. And I also got the Addams Family, the complete season 1 to 3, like the TV shows. These are like the old Addams Family from the 60s. This isn't like the one out of the films. But I don't know, I just thought that I would give myself something to watch at Halloween time. Then next I actually picked up the Sugarpill Trick and Treat lipsticks. So this one is Treat. I actually ended up selling Trick, which was the black one, because it just wasn't very nice at all. It wasn't opaque and the glitter was really, really like crummy. Like when you rubbed your lips together it was really weird. So this is Treat. And it's like a burnt orange sparkly kind of colour. Again, it's not the most opaque colour in the world, but it's definitely better than the black one was. I apologise for all this makeup on my hand, but that's that colour. Then next I got some amazing bedding. I've never really seen Halloween bedding anywhere, and I actually ordered this online from a store called HomeStoreAndMore, I think it was called. So one of them is actually on my bed right now, so I can't really show you it, but it's this one with cobwebs and ghosts on it, and then on the other side it's like a green cobweb kind of print, like this. And then this one is a Halloween theme, so it's got pumpkins and ghosts and like a castle, and then up here it does actually say Happy Halloween on it, and the other side is this like bat print. So they were £9.99 each, which I think is really, really cheap. They did like sheets and stuff as well to match, but I didn't get those. I got these little cute cushions. So there's this pumpkin, which is super, super soft and squishy. And there is this one, which is a little spider with a spider web. So I think this one was £4.50 and this one was like £2.99 or something like that. And also from that same site I got some pencils, which I know is a really random thing to get, but I work in an office so I do use pencils now and again. I actually got 6 in the set, but me and my friend at work split them. So these were 60p, which means they were 10p each, which I think is amazing. There is this one with a little spider on it, this one with a ghost, and this one with like a mummy. And the pencils themselves are actually really cute as well. So they were super cheap. They're like really cool. And then I've mainly got food stuff left apart from these. These are some cute little tiny notebooks. Literally like the smallest notebooks I've ever seen. These were from Sainsburys as well actually, and they were £1 for the 2. And I got these from Primark, which are like little bat wing clips, and these were £1.50. I'm not actually sure why I bought these. I just thought they looked really, really sweet. But maybe I'll wear them like on Halloween or something, because I'm not actually doing anything for Halloween. And then the last stuff is loads of food. So I went to Lidl and they have these. Now I have eaten half of these, but these are Bats and Ghosts tomato flavour. There is different flavours, but they are very, very cute. And they like look like this. Got these Bats and Webs, which are my favourite ones. And these are barbecue ones. They're like little 3D shapes. I've got this Grim Green popcorn, which is apple flavour, and I'm not gonna lie, I think it's absolutely disgusting, so I don't recommend this if you're going to Lidl. Then I got these, which I've already eaten. These were the M&M candy corns, and they were amazing. We don't have these here in the UK, so I had to buy these from a shop that sold American sweets, but these were so, so good. And they were, I think, £1.70 for this little bag. Then I got this giant tub of sweets, which are called Magic Horror, and they're all like little skulls and witches and spiders and stuff. And last but not least, I got these, which are some cocktails. So there's 3 bottles in here. There's this blue one, which is a blue Hawaiian, the green one, which is a lime margarita, and the red one, which is a strawberry daiquiri. I've not actually opened these yet, so I'll rip this open and show you one. So this is what the actual bottle itself looks like. They are glass, and these were from Lidl as well for $6.99 for 3. So I don't know why I bought these, to be fair. I don't really drink, but I thought the bottles were really cute and that I could maybe put something in them afterwards. So yeah, that is everything in my second Halloween haul. Honestly, I'm probably going to end up buying some more stuff maybe, but I probably won't do another haul because there won't be enough. I've kind of made myself very poor now this month buying loads of stuff. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this anyway, and if you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.